Hello. Today we're going to go through some of our vast collection of old and possibly very neglected old recipe books. Now this one is the Golden Anniversary Recipes from the Lone Star Gas Company. Most of our collection comes from Texas, so I guess that's how we'll win the Alamo, by having a large collection of all your wonderful good old cookbooks here. We have the avocado bravo. Ooh, that might be fun. Something other than guacamole. Wow, this is, I'm not sure what that is. Limited edition of 500 copies. This is $2.97. We'll check it out. Everyone knows Hot Point, the original. And these are just full of recipes and great art. I mean, that's how they kept these women interested. You sat there and you read your cookbooks and looked at pretty drawings of turkeys. Have a nice day. Say bye.
Bye.